Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect IC markets to MT5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the IC markets application from Google Play Store or App Store. Afterwards, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. So once you log in into your IC markets account, you are going to see this type of interface of the application. Over here, tap on the three lines on the top left hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to go to the settings of your IC Markets account. There, you are going to see your MT5 login credentials. That includes your MT5 server, the login ID and the password. So first of all, you need to copy the server from there. Then you need to download and install the MT5 application on your device from Google Play Store or App Store. So when you are able to basically download the MT5 app, simply launch it and you are going to see this type of interface in front of you. So here tap on the option of add trading account. After that, in the search bar, you just have to simply search or paste the exact same server which you have received from IC Markets account. After that, it is going to show you the server in this list. So you need to tap on the server. It is going to look something like this. Now you need to go back to your IC Markets app. From there, you need to copy the login ID and the password. So you need to paste them over here one by one. Then simply tap on the option of login. So this way you will be able to connect your IC Markets account to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.